In January, I tackled on the biggest project that I've ever done. It is called OYSTER CORNER. It was inevitable to want to highlight something that brings me so much joy. When there was an open call for rail trail, I was taking so many nature walks so naturally. When I applied, I couldn't help but to incorporate nature, particularly the elegance of oyster mushrooms. This is my first public outdoors light installation. I freaking love mushrooms. They've changed the way I take my walks. I actually look forward to walking just so I can spot a mushroom or two. So I'm pretty excited, and I couldn't help but to share a 40-minute video for you guys. And if you didn't know, my name is Hanini. I'm an artist in North Carolina. I hope you enjoy this vlog style video of production once everything is approved, once adjustments are already made for safety. We're just here to slap things around and create Oyster Corner. I share my day-to-day navigating my health, eating my meals, writing in my Hobonichi. But first, the studio. Because I opened this and it's so strong. Kind of smells good though.
Tip of the canister at an angle with a utility knife.
It gets tricky because this fucking floor is not moving. Oh I'm stuck. Gay forever. Forever. Is hurting, and I made this outfit so I can have mobility while making a smoothie. I feel really good now. I woke up, tried to get coffee downstairs, and realized they were closed. Instead, I was like, we have smoothie supplies, LFG, ginger bits, digging out the mango bits. no microwave. Just kidding.
You're starting like this, you turn it on, and then you kind of angle it down. You never just want to like, you want to go slow with that. But other than that, that's pull your sleeves up, or like roll them up so they're not as. Yeah.
Woo! Yeah, look at that. There it goes.
So cute.
Oh, another. It keeps scaring me. Callender made this. It only locks in place at a certain width, and so we created this, well, Callender created this to add more height. So it's not too deep. When it's too deep, the bit actually keeps falling off because the wood's too strong. Just trying to put in too much work.
Ninja is the greatest thing that has ever been introduced to my life. I stand by it. My niece.
It scared me a little. I was like, it's too fast.
Yeah, it's fast, but it also, do you do Frozen?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so loud.
Yeah.
Hello, sunshine. Bad guys have more fun. Hello, sunshine. Bad guys have more fun.
The only thing I would do different, knowing how this is an inkjet printer, is that I would brighten all of the photos before putting it through the printer.
Bad guys have more fun.
Now to embellish it.
Bad guys have more fun. Bad guys have more fun. Bad guys have more fun. Hello, sunshine. Bad guys have more fun. Hello, sunshine. Bad guys have more fun.
Cooking and cleaning? You said it would be great for a hot idea.
Oh yeah, this is medium heat. No, wait. Which one was it? Mild. Mild. Oh yeah, it smells like curry. Make sure I get everything in one.
Which candle?
It's so cold. I'm only wearing this mask to keep the heat in.
The hair came out really blonde. It's kind of weird. I was like, I thought it was gonna dark like that. Hey, I'm gonna be on the tube.
Yeah.
So this is it all put together-ish. But I'll show you inside. I have some other mosaics because all of the seeds have feelings, I guess.
Oh. Wow. Wow. Wait.
And then I dropped it.
No.
They're gold.
Yeah. So do you have to glaze it under to make it yellow before you make it gold?
The yellow, they say that actually it helps. But,
This is the best thing to document. You
oh,
make
cool. This is where it goes.
Here are the oyster mushrooms sampled through wood, and then I vectorized it on Illustrator and sent it out to a place called Piedmont Plastics. They were phenomenal to work with, and they cut the design through 1/2-inch acrylic. I'm gonna stick this in the journal or save it for scrapbooking. I'm only taking apart one of these. Oh. That is sick. It looks like that scene from Titanic. The goal is to have the light strip on the flat end and seeing how much it projects out at night. I was thinking of frosting it to give it more of a glow. That really is just going to be a test. This will be my test one. I think first I might try to like etch a design in it, and if not, then I will frost it. I think the fun part is I still get to experiment on something that I've already created, you know. Smells like toxicity. Okay, so this has been sitting on the couch for I don't know how long, and it's actually hot. Like, it is hot, and it smells hot. Like, oh god. I just got done sanding a test sample to see if frosting is the way to go. So the front is fully frosted, half of the side is frosted, and the back is half frosted, and the other half isn't. So I'm gonna peel it off and test it with lights. Here's the test. It's is going to be sanded evenly with an actual sander, but right now, hand sanding. It looks pretty well as an example. Here's it fully sanded, and here's it sanded only by design. I like both. I like both. I feel like I'm gonna, I feel like I want to play around with having the bottom be clear and then slowly, I feel like I want to play around with the bottom being clear and then slowly being more frosted and then going back to, or from going from clear-ish to more frosted, vice versa. I'll just play around and see which one I like more, but that's what I meant by playing around, you know, experimenting more. Even though you have a plan, it's fun to still experiment, because that, I don't know, that's art, baby. Don't say Hanini 3 times in the mirror.
Hanini.
Hello, give me all your pickles. Oh my god, it's so sick. Wow.
What's it called again? Risograph?
Yeah. Put the Riz in risograph. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, babe. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. The stickers. Ah! And a shopping list. Look.
That's so cool.
It's an elephant. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Trying to show off the hat.
Oh damn, girl, you going?
Testing.
Flying.
But I like it that it's like shifting. It really looks like
So good.
the oysters like are really oystering.
Baby oyster. The only issue with felt paint is it's all flat.
I love flat.
Which isn't the problem with being flat.
Yeah. Oh wow, it looks. And then you already see the light coming through.
It's gonna be so. It's really a sew unit.
Thank you.
happened.
Heal.
Blah. Give that a minute.
Yeah.
When that's done, it'll say.
Checked under mobile data.
Yep.
Okay. Will just helped me set up the router, the little hotspot for the install. And
Can't let y'all see the password.
Oh.
I got rid of it.
Thank ya.
Ready to see the install.
Fucking perfect. Because you can, it's gonna be tricky to get in here, but literally, like, screw in, strap, and then run it how you want to run it.
That's so cute. Kayla had a friend who blows glass make me a pickle ornament for my collection.
Oh my god.
That is so nice. What a good day.
Oh man.
Dang. That shit is
beautiful.
custom.
Yay. It's so cool. So cool.
Oh, I love it. So these are iridescent hangers that she puts in her window for some fun lights. Oh, and Kayla sticker. Damn. Wait. Okay. Oh, is it clear? Oh, it's clear. It's clear. It's frosted clear. It's so cool. With the Hello Kitty tattoo.
all the snacks. Yeah. Sassy bites.
I like the Albanese one.
This is
Just like your snack day?
Another foot or two, or foot and a half maybe, 6 inches. You like butt it up to the back of the folded seat now. Yeah, we're gonna rotate it.
It is up. It is finally up. I don't know how we did it, but we're here. We're gonna do some touch-ups, and I know what you're thinking. Isn't there a stump we worked on? Back to the studio.
She's rocking pink hair, and it's totally not related, but I can tell she's a little crazy in the head. She's rocking pink hair, and it's making me frustrated. Is she lunatic?
What time is it? I don't freaking know anymore, but I'm supposed to get this stump complete around 5 or 6. Meet up with Callender, install it, test out the lights, wish us freaking luck. This also looks like it didn't dry clear, so I think I'm gonna paint over it again. Someone just put something in. Anyway, have you ever used a plastic knife for anything other than food? came out and the lights work. I switched this light to be higher so you can actually see the top of the stump, and the pattern, you can actually see the pattern.
Whoa, man. Whoa, dude. Whoa, man.
So every year during Rail Trail Lights, there is a Switch to Flip event where the artist gets to speak about their work right before switching the flip. They added this really beautiful lit up plaque that has the information of the work as well. Again, this was my first public outdoors lit up installation, and it was a great experience. The team, everyone was so easy to communicate with. It's very rare to get a grant and money to execute an idea you have in mind. And leaving with a totally new perspective on public art. There's so much that goes into it. I look forward to every rail trail, and so it was really, really different being a part of it this time. Will I do it again? 5 out of 10 chances, but I do look forward to the next group of artists. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like or subscribe to see the next vlog or the next project. Also, to boost my morale and give me the will to keep creating YouTube videos. See you in the next one.